And now to some more news that's coming in. A fire broke out in the wee hours of the morning today inside the Finance Ministry.
Well, the flames have been doused for now, though assessment of the damage is still being conducted. The fire took place in 2 rooms and officials say that many documents have been burnt. 6 fire brigades and electricians were rushed to the spot at about 5:45 this morning, but the exact cause of the fire is yet to be ascertained.
More, let's get in a word.
2 कमरों में आग लगने के बाद जितना भी रिकॉर्ड वगैरह रखा था, अलमीरा और बाहर जितना भी ओपन रिकॉर्ड था, सब जल गया 2 कमरों के अंदर.
All right, for more, let's get in a word from Shubhajit Sengupta. He's joining us on the phone line from the capital. Shubhajit, the pictures that we've seen on our screens, the 2 rooms seem to be completely gutted. Obviously, they would be having crucial documents stored there. We're also being told that computers had been burned. What really led to this fire, considering the fact that government offices are closed at a decent 5:45 or 3:45 is not really an hour where you expect anyone to be inside those buildings?
See, the real reason for the fire is yet to be ascertained. They're trying to find out that. That's why electricians have been rushed to the spot. Also, the fact that this can happen from electrical problems or some duct problem. There are also the guards the night, so some matchsticks or something might have led to the fire. What we know is it happened in the L block of Finance Ministry. 2 rooms were completely gutted. The room consisted of both records and official furnitures. What kind of records were there? That's still being found out. What kind of, because we know Finance Minister has got a lot of records pertaining to the important records for the nation, and 2 rooms full of information has been gutted. The nature of the fire has been said to be minor, and only 6 fire engines were sent in. The firemen reached there by 5:45, and by about 6:05 the fire was brought under control. So it was a small fire, but we need to see the kind of documents which have been lost there.
Shubhajit Sengupta, thanks for joining us this morning with that piece of news of that fire in the Finance Ministry office.